How to fix Snapchat not showing friends. If Snapchat is not showing your friends list or certain friends, it's likely due to app glitches, privacy settings, or syncing issues. So here is a quick and effective guide to fix it. First of all, simply check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection, or you can also try switching between Wi-Fi's and data to see if the list appears. After this, try restarting your device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix some app glitches on your device. So restart it and wait for 10 to 15 seconds. Now once done so, simply look for the App Store or Google Play Store from your home screen and simply search for Snapchat in it and tap on this Snapchat from the list of options available there. Then if there is an update available, tap on the update because an outdated version may cause bugs like missing friends. So if you update it, it might fix this issue. Now once updated, all you have to do is go back to the home screen. Now search for the settings app and simply tap on it. Once inside settings app, scroll down and tap on the general option available there. Inside general, again scroll down and tap on the iPhone storage. Then again scroll down unless you see Snapchat from the list of the apps and tap on it. Now tap on the upload app option available there and confirm the upload and reinstall the app. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.